Hello, my name is Jay Prakash and I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager here at Upscale. And I'm here to show you incident updates for Statuspage. It's a Jira Service Management cloud app that allows your team to create, update, and close incidents in Statuspage without a Statuspage account. To get started, you need to follow two admin steps. These involve linking Statuspage to your JSM instance and linking Statuspage to your JSM project. First, go to the Apps menu in the JSM toolbar. Then select Incident Updates for Statuspage. Here, you can link your Statuspage to your JSM instance using the API token. This is an API token I've already pasted from our Statuspage instance. The second step involves linking Statuspage to your JSM project. To do this, go to the project view, then select Incident Updates for Statuspage from the Apps list. From the drop-down list, select the Statuspage that you want to link to your JSM project. We're now ready to explore how the app works. From the Work Items view, you can select the relevant item that you want to broadcast a Statuspage update. And from the side panel, you will find the Incident Updates section. This panel guides you through the fields that you need to update to populate the incident on Statuspage. The first field is a Statuspage incident name. This is a default entry and is a name used for your work item. However, you have the option to change this incident name to make it more customer facing. Next, using the drop-down, you have the option to update the incident status. You can also add components and select the available components from the drop-down list. This section is optional and also allows you to select the status for each component that you specify. You can even customize the Statuspage message. Now this is optional, and if you choose not to add a message, Statuspage will use a default message. You will then be provided with a message confirming your update has been saved in Statuspage. I'm now going to add a further update on the same incident. In the JSM Work Item Activity panel, you can access a log of all the incident updates that have been broadcast via Statuspage. This includes the 2 incident updates that I've shared. You also have the option to access Statuspage using the ellipsis next to the Statuspage incident name. If you're a JSM user with a Statuspage license, you can manage your incident status on your Statuspage using the View on Statuspage button here. Going back to the app. For JSM users without a Statuspage license, they can access the public Statuspage using the View Site Status button here. Thank you for watching.